Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad K Sangma hagasngi Thohdieng Plie paidbah ya samoi long klas nyngkong jong Shillong Government College of Engineering College campus Mawlai Shillong. Kane jingplie mawmer khraw pule dangle jong higher and technical education Meghalaya. Kiblaidan lang kikentup yo sembut Myntri Rangbah ba President Tensong, Myntri pule puthi ba Lakmen Rumbui, Myntri Ketanat Arts and Culture ba San Shulai, Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil Ahmed bat kiwei. Haba ajingkren Myntri Rangbah olanyo yakni kasngi bansa khana yaka Meghalaya. Haba ong bahagi snem banwan nadu menta gibriu kin paidin shagani kasngi kaching sedang jongka Government Engineering College ban nyngkong Ulapin pa ya kaching songo ya baro kibala sinyang ban pin urlong yakni project kabala upslem ha kintup ketanat pule puthi ki Myntri Sarkar ki officer bat kino hikai.
Many years from now and many decades from now, people will look back to this day when we started our first Government Engineering College. I thank God Almighty for this day, and more importantly for blessing us, blessing the children, the youth of the state with this wonderful college. We may be starting off late in the education in terms of engineering college. We should have had it long time back. Maybe we are starting very late. But late does not mean, in today's world and especially in technology, it does not mean that we will be left behind. That we have decided and we have tied up with Government of India that we will be releasing the scholarship money in advance from the state side, and we will not wait for Government of India to release the amount, and whenever the money comes in, it will be put back into our account. That system has been created. And the most important part, you can clap after that, is that we'll be releasing it before Christmas. So we'll ensure that before Christmas, the CM scholarship, which we are just finalizing, we had anticipated about 70,000 students, but you'll be surprised to know that we got 1 lakh applicants. So we are just screening through the whole process. We should be able to finalize that within a few weeks' time. So when that is done, so the CM scholarship that we have announced will also be released before Christmas, and the scholarship from central government, which comes in at a 90-10 ratio, that also in advance, before receiving the funds from central government, we will release the funds from our side. So I would want to share that with you, and I hope that will help the students who require that financial support, and more importantly, motivate you to work harder and to study more in a much more committed way.